हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द 100 ड्रेसेस पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 के क्वेश्चंस जो सीबीएसई एग्जाम्स के द्वारा पूछे गए हैं। मैं चाहूँगा कि आप इस वीडियो को पॉज करके पहले इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर खुद लिखिए। एक चीज़ और, जैसा कि मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ मेरी सभी वीडियोस में, कि every student should go through CBSE textbook, your textbook, the first flight, so that you could write answers properly. So मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए चाहता हूँ आप इसको पॉज कीजिए और इसके आंसर्स खुद लिखिए। स्टूडेंट्स, आशा करता हूँ आपने इसके आंसर्स लिखे होंगे। मैं इसकी जो एक्सप्लेनेशन दूंगा, अगर आप उसके आंसर्स वैसे लिखते हैं तो आपके आंसर्स काफी सटीक है। देखिए, 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस में आपको ज्यादा नहीं लिखना होता, हार्डली 30 वर्ड्स में आप अपने आंसर्स को लिखिए, और जो 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है उसे आप 100 से ज्यादा मत लिखिए। हाँ, इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कंटेंट्स। क्वेश्चंस को ठीक से समझिए और फिर उस कंटेंट को ध्यान में रखकर लिखिए। देखते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन। Why did Peggy and Maddie tease Wanda? पैगी और मैडी वांडा को क्यों तंग करती थी? Peggy and Maddie teased Wanda because they thought Wanda is a funny name, and second, Wanda boasted about her 100 dresses. So, in order to teach her a lesson, they both teased her. The second question. Explain 2 dresses of Wanda Pentrosky in brief. Wanda Pentrosky की 2 ड्रेसेस के बारे में कुछ बताइए। Wanda Pentrosky was declared the winner of the drawing competition. She submitted 100 dresses in colorful and awesome colors. Miss Mason discussed about 2 dresses. One was pale blue and second was brilliant green color dress. One was blue dress and second was green dress. The third question. What do you think about Wanda's reaction of not coming school anymore? आप क्या समझते हैं कि वांडा स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाती थी, आ रही थी अब? वांडा was being teased by Peggy and Maddie. Everybody has a breaking point in his life. When Wanda realized that she could not tolerate the insult anymore, she decided not to go to that school. Fourth question. How did Peggy and Maddie try to amend for their behavior towards Wanda? स्टूडेंट्स, अमेंड का मतलब सुधारना होता है। किस तरह से पैगी एंड मैडी ने अपने बिहेवियर को सुधारना चाहा वांडा के प्रति? वांडा's father wrote a letter to Miss Mason and she told the reason that Wanda would not come to school because she was teased by the students because of her funny name. When Miss Mason told this to students, the students felt ashamed. Peggy and Maddie felt themselves like a coward. एक कायर की तरह उन्होंने महसूस किया. They decided to go to the Boggins height and they wanted to say sorry to Wanda for their misbehavior. Fifth question. Character sketch of Wanda Pentrosky. Students, ये 5 नंबर में पूछा गया है. 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा लेंथी होगा. Wanda Pentrosky belonged to Poland. She was a poor girl. Her family was shifted in America. Her schoolmates used to make fun of her. Peggy and Maddie teased her. They insulted her. But most of the time, Wanda remained silent. She participated into drawing competition and drew every dress in the most perfecting way. She submitted 100 dresses. Out of 100 dresses, each dress was worthy to win the first prize. She left that school, and at the end we see even Peggy, who used to insult her, wanted to draw like her. Maddie also realized her mistake and she felt ashamed. She felt herself like a coward. Overall, we can say Wanda was an extraordinary talented girl who was tortured by the girls because of her poverty and because of her name. Sixth question. Why does Maddie stand by and does not do anything? Stand by का मतलब होता है चुपचाप खड़ा होना. चुपचाप खड़ा होना. क्यों मैडी चुपचाप खड़ी रहती थी? Peggy used to torture Wanda. She teased her because of her poverty. Maddie was also poor girl. However, she was a close friend to Peggy, but she did not have courage to open her mouth before Peggy because she felt she could lose her friendship with her and Peggy could also target her after Wanda. So she always used to stand by. What important decision Maddie takes? Maddie, after when Wanda left that school and Maddie came to know the reason, she felt ashamed. At that time, she decided she would never remain silent if anybody teased to someone because of her funny name or poverty. And even for this, she was ready to lose her friendship with Peggy। Students, I hope आपने ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लिखे होंगे, और अगर नहीं लिखे तो जो मैंने एक्सप्लेनेशन दी है, अगर इस तरह के आप आंसर्स लिखते हैं तो आप 2 आउट ऑफ 2 और 5 आउट ऑफ 5 मार्क्स ऑब्टेन करेंगे। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज इसे लाइक कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी इसे शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो भी इसका मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट उठा सके। थैंक यू।